Welcome to São Miguel, the green island of the mid-Atlantic. We start over Cidades, a caldera, a collapsed depression after explosive eruptions, occupied by two lakes split by a narrow isthmus. From above you can pick out young cones inside the crater and near continuous walls with roughly half a kilometer of relief. Perfect evidence that this volcano is still young on a geological clock. The caldera took shape through multiple collapses after highly explosive eruptions. The magma chamber partially drained and the roof failed along ring faults, with key episodes around 36, 29, and 16,000 years ago. We carry on to Lagoa do Canario, tucked into the Serra da Vassa. Fog and orographic rain rule here. Moist air rises, cools, and drops its load, feeding small lagoons and peat bogs. This bowl works like a natural sponge. For decades, traditional catchments channeled these waters toward the island's west. From here, we lean onto the south shore, basalt cliffs with undercut bases and active rockfalls. Wave refraction focuses energy on headlands and leaves quieter pockets in coves. That's why you see arches, caves, and lone sea stacks. On the western tip, a clear lava delta marks where flows met the ocean and welded on new coastline. Wave refraction focuses energy on headlands and leaves quieter pockets in coves. That's why you see arches, caves, and lone sea stacks. Far off, the silhouette of Ponta Delgada, the region's executive capital, sits on the horizon. Farther east, we drop to a human scale. Village life near Povoaqueo. Whitewashed houses with gabled roofs, lava stone walls parceling dairy pastures, and windbreak hedges, often conifers, shielding crops from dominant winds and salt spray. Across to the island's north side, historic tea plantations. Camellia sinensis thrives here thanks to regular rain, freely draining volcanic soils and mild temperatures year-round. From the air, rows trace the contours with slim ditches to drain the slopes. In season, picking is done in rounds by hand to protect fresh shoots. We close on an Atlantic cliff. Between volcanoes and ocean, São Miguel is a landscape factory in motion.